What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we got to talk about Baby Doge because we are pumping huge today. I know you see this. We're up 6.8% for the last 24 hours. We got some huge news for Baby Doge. So, we're going to talk about that today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto millionaires merch inside of the game. Link in the description. But without further ado, let's get the Baby Doge and talk about this because this is huge. So there's a lot going on with Baby Doge right now. So let's get started. First things first, we are breaking out here inside of Baby Doge. We are going crazy. Like, this is huge. This is really crazy. We literally went down from 8Z21 all the way up here to 8Z like 24. So we almost got 8Z25. So that was pretty exciting to see. But we did get stopped here at this resistance up here. And that was pretty interesting to see because, this is all the way at 8Z24. So yeah, it's interesting to see that we got all the way up here to this resistance. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, we're probably going to have another pump coming soon because, we just got some big news. So yeah, a lot of good stuff is going on with Baby Doge right now. Let's just say that. Let's just say that for least. But anyways, if we were to pull back a little bit more, obviously we do have 8Z2250. But with the news that we got right now, I highly doubt we're gonna do a big pullback like that. I really think it's probably gonna be up from here. And yeah, we're definitely probably gonna be up from here. So looking over here, we could probably end up seeing Baby Doge going from 8Z2400, or we're at 2386, but you already know what I mean, all the way up here at 8Z2500. That's really the next resistance we have for Baby Doge at 8Z2500. And then we have some more resistance here at about 8Z2600, and pretty much every 100 place. There's a little bit of a resistance. And the red areas that we're seeing here with the indicators are the supply and demand for my technical indicators. And what they pretty much show is when we have less demand for our supply and demand. So it's interesting to see, but you can already see we're already building up more demand. So sooner or later, this is about to change to like a green shaded area. And same for all this, especially because of the good news that we got, which we're going to get over that later on in the video. But moving on from this, let's talk about Bitcoin because as we know, a lot of things follow Bitcoin. And obviously, Baby Doge is kind of breaking away from Bitcoin right now. It always does it, but this is pretty huge. So, looking at Bitcoin here, we very, very briefly broke this resistance. So that was really interesting to see that that interest was, or not the interest, but the resistance was all the way past 28.7K. And now you can see where we're at. Now we're all the way at 29.1K, or we got the 29.1K and then created and established a new resistance zone. So that's pretty interesting to see that we did that and then we immediately pulled back. But look at how close we are to this resistance. It does not want to go below this area at all, which is very good to see because the fact that we're just riding on the top of that resistance line and it just does not want to go below it, that says a lot about what's about to happen in Bitcoin. And I think 30K might be broken soon. So yeah, definitely keep watching for that. But look at this. We created this wedge a while ago, and you can see we're literally following the trend line to a T. Like, we're literally following this trend line to a T. And like I said, if we do pull back, like I said in my previous video, it's probably not going to even go below 21 or 20K. But I think we're going to be breaking out past 30K before we even pull back any. So what I think is, a pump up to 30K happens, right? And then a pullback happens. We might even pump up to 35, 31, or 32K and then pull back and then maybe going back down to this trend line. And that's the beauty of having trend lines like this, because now we're not going to go below this trend line technically. If we're going off the technical analysis, we're not going below it. And if we look at what we did back here with Bitcoin, we didn't go below it all these times. We didn't go below it here. We didn't go below it here. And technically, we shouldn't go below it the next time. And if you look at the time period from January 1st all the way up here to about March 10th, right? That was the time in between the trends, right? And now if you're looking here from March 10th all the way up until like right now, where we're at now, May, no, we're not at May, obviously, but we're going from here on this area here, March 10th, all the way up to about May 17th, something like that. So it's almost the same amount of days as the one back here. So that's why I'm predicting that we probably break 30K, maybe get to 35 or something, and then pull back, and then eventually hit this trend line. And people are like, "Oh, it was a bull trap. It was a bull trap. It went down to 23K. It went down to 24K. It's a bull trap." Yeah, this is probably not going to be a bull trap. We're probably going to end up seeing it pull back, and then it's going to be a bear trap because they were going to hit the bottom of this area here. And if you actually look back, yeah, this is where the bottom of that trend line is. But if you look back, we did have some resistance towards that same area. If you look back to like February 1st, like we had the same resistance right back here. So we can't really look at it from the perspective of it's a bear trap or a bull trap. We have to look at it from the perspective of it's probably going to be a bear trap once we get down here to the bottom of this trend line, once we pump out of it. So I think that we are about to have a nice pump here inside of Bitcoin. And then after that, I think it's going to calm down. And yeah, I think the prices, they're just going to wind down a little bit and then continue to pump from there. But I do believe we have entered the bull market. I mean, this hasn't happened in a long time. Let me take off these indicators. But look, this type of movement here has not happened during this whole bear market. Like we've had moments, right, where we thought we were like literally about to be bullish, right? And we don't want to look at 2021. We already know during 2021 we were in a full effect bull market. But then going into 2022, yeah, well, like at the end of 2021, going into 2022, we were in full effect bear market, and we never had the type of movement that we had since our bull market. Like from February 25th, 2022 to about March 30th of 2022 is about the most we had of a bullish run, right? This whole time. And then after that, it was straight down from there. But now it's up from there. So this is definitely pretty interesting to see the reversal inside of the market. But we're going to be going over some stuff with Baby Doge. So let's go off Bitcoin for now. So let's talk about Baby Doge. We are literally now up 8.2% in the last 24 hours, right? And if you will see me start a video, we were at like 6.8%. Now we're already at 8.2% in the last 24 hours. This is amazing. Look at Baby Doge. Look at Baby Doge. Baby Doge, I've just learned to expect the unexpected when it comes to Baby Doge. Just expect the unexpected and you'll be happy. And yeah, as you can see, the unexpected happened. And now our volume is increasing as well, which helps out for our burns. We're at $6.7 million in volume. We went from all the way down here, a little 3 million in volume, right? 3.8 million in volume, all the way up to 6.7 million in volume. We got $3 million in volume increased in less than 24 hours. In literally like a few hours, we've got a $3 million increase in our volume. Now, if you look at our holders are increasing as well. People are like, oh, wait, Baby Doge is doing XYZ. I'll tell you why in a second. And then over here, you can see we're now at 1,713,275 holders. So that's a lot of holders right there. And we're going to continue to get more from here. But let's go over the big news that has everybody shooken up here on Baby Doge. So, breaking news here in Baby Doge, a new top 10 exchange listing opening this Friday, a tier 1 exchange, a top 10 exchange. Now, we are going to break down what a top 10 exchange is. A lot of people are making assumptions, blah, 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 blah. Now, let's kind of look at it. This is what this person posted, but I'm going to go ahead and look at this myself on CoinGecko. So let's go to crypto exchanges, right? And let's look at top 10 exchanges. So top 10 exchanges, I'm going to go ahead and add Binance US and crypto.com in there just because I believe they should be in the top 10. But yeah, let's just go ahead and add those so it's really top 12. So it could be Binance US, it could be crypto.com, it could be Bing X, it could be Huobi. And remember, I think we do already have Huobi Exchange. Let me double check actually. Let me double check. I think we do actually have Huobi already. So this is going to be pretty interesting for us because it's going to leave a lot of people guessing and is literally happening in a short time period. I like the fact that they're teasing it so then we can get the pump like coming in for us. So yeah, we're on gate.io, we are on OKX, we are on Mexi Global, we are on BKEK. I know there's a few others that we are on as well, so let's go ahead and check those. Yeah, let's check the other ones as well. So let's type inside of Baby Doge here. We're just gonna try to find out. We're on OKX, we're on CoinX, we're on Gate.io, we're on Polonix. We are on, I don't know what this is. It says crypto. I think this is the crypto.com one. I don't know. Maybe we're getting listed on crypto.com. I don't know. And then we got the Mexi Global one. So yeah, we're on Mexi Global, Polynix, OKX, Gate.io, CoinX, and yeah, OKX. And I also think we're on Lbank. I don't know if we're on Lbank. I don't even know. But yeah, we are on a lot of exchanges here. And this one that says crypto, I think this is just because you can track the price of baby doge on crypto.com, but you can't necessarily buy it on there. Yeah, I don't know which one this is though. It's probably crypto.com, but you really can't do much with it. And then it also says BitGet we're on as well. Yeah, so those are the ones that we are on with Baby Doge. So let's kind of make a educated guess here where exactly we are going here with Baby Doge. So it could be all these other exchanges like Huobi, Being X. We already on BitGet. It says it could be Bybit. We're already on Mexi Global, which is a top 10 exchange, number 6. We could get on Bitfinex, Kraken. Kraken says unavailable, so yeah, I don't know why it says that. KuCoin, Coinbase, and Binance. So this is pretty interesting. Out of all of these, though, I would say the best ones for us would either be KuCoin, uh, then obviously we got Coinbase and Binance, but it would be either KuCoin, Crypto.com, or Binance US. Those would probably be our best bets when you do have obviously like Binance and stuff like that. But we're not going to even look at that because, Binance is being bougie. They're not letting Baby Doge on right now. So I don't know. Maybe they let Baby Doge on, maybe they don't. But let's see what the people are saying now. So the people over here in Baby Doge are saying different things. So some people are looking at this like, which one can it be? Which one can it be? They're looking at all these different options. Well, we're already on OKX, right? We're already on. I don't even know how I already forgot which ones we're on. But yeah, we're on multiple exchanges. Okay, we're on Mexi Global. See, Coin Market Cap shows differently than CoinGecko. Like Coin Market Cap includes Mexi Global as number 6, but it's obviously not number 6 on here for some reason on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is number 6, but here for CoinMarketCap it's not. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. I'm gonna keep you all updated on this. It looks like a lot of people are really making good guesses here, and someone says it's among these exchanges: Bitfinex, Gemini, CoinCheck, Bitstamp, Bybit. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see. We're already on OKX. Yeah, I mean, I'll let you all know what happens, but let's move on from here. So let's talk about this inside Baby Doge. So this is pretty cool. We have a new farming partner on Baby Doge called Mazimatic. So I think Baby Doge is about to start going in a certain direction. Like I said, multi chains and all that good stuff. We're gonna be moving in a good direction here, and they already mentioned that inside of this post here. They're gonna start multi chains with Baby Doge. So this is gonna be pretty big for Baby Doge and Baby Doge Swap as well. And yeah, they're gonna deploy the token locker for those. So yeah, and like this is Mazimatic, and when I hear Mazimatic, you know what I think of? I think of a Polygon project, right? But you can't even really find Mazimatic all over here on CoinGecko. So typically, if I can't find something on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, then I don't want it. But you got to think though. Sometimes we do have good crypto projects that aren't even listed on these places yet because they just came out. So there is that happens sometimes. See, it's on CoinMarketCap, but it's not on CoinGecko, and it doesn't really have much information here. So I'll probably wait a little while before I actually, make a decision on it. I don't know. I usually don't buy any unknown. I usually don't do any unknown farms. So that's pretty much what I do. But it seems like a good metaverse thing. So I'll do some research on this and let you know what I find. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on from this good stuff here and talk about something else here in Baby Doge. So moving on to Baby Doge Swap, we now have $46.81 million in liquidity, which is pretty good. Our volume is now at $913,000. Inside the last 24 hours burned because our volume has been increasing because of the exchange that we're about to get listed on. We now have 7.4 trillion burned in the last 24 hours, which is pretty good. Um, Also over here on our let's go to the burn portal from here. So we now have 39.7 million inside of total burn on the burn portal, which is also good. And then total baby dollars bought through the burn portal, 579 trillion. That's pretty good as well. 204.2 quadrillion inside of total coins. And our farms over here for Baby Doge, we're now at 35% APR. So our APR went up 2% in the last day, and now we're at 4.7 million in total liquidity. Baby Doge earned, you can see my Baby Doge earned here. So yeah, 2.6 billion. Yeah, I got a good amount in there. So shout out to the Baby Doge army. And over here we can see 49.89 billion inside of DeFi now. So a little bit of money is flowing back inside of DeFi, and that money is going into Baby Doge as well. So we see 3.62% inside of Baby Doge up in the last 7 days, and we're at 117 ranking for Baby Doge on DeFi Llama. Now, Sheep Swap isn't at 157, so you just gotta stay above Sheep Swap. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Let me know what you think about this exchange listing. Which one do you think it is? Binance US, Crypto.com, KuCoin? Which one do you think it is? Let me know in the comments. And hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None is financial advice. Check out cryptomillionaires.shop. And as always, I'll be back with another video.